What if I told you that optimizing your fitness is not about working out harder or eating less, but working smarter, much smarter? These 10 biohacking strategies will not only supercharge your fitness, but might make you the most optimized version of yourself. Intrigued? Good. Stick around because number 10 might change how you think about exercise forever. Point number 1. Master your circadian rhythm. Let's start with your body's internal clock, your circadian rhythm. You have probably heard that sleep is essential, but did you know that when you sleep, it can be just as crucial as how much you sleep? Biohackers optimize their fitness by syncing workouts and meals with their body's natural cycles. Morning workouts? Excellent for fat loss and energy. Evening workouts? Perfect for strength gains. And here is the kicker. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, yes, even on weekends, is like giving your body a personal trainer for recovery. Circadian rhythms are 24-hour cycles of the body's internal clock, running in the background to carry out essential functions and processes. One of the most critical and well-known circadian rhythms is the sleep-wake cycle. These rhythms are influenced by external cues like light and temperature, which help align your body's internal clock with the environment. When functioning correctly, circadian rhythms ensure that you feel alert during the day and sleepy at night, regulate hormone production, influence digestion, and even impact your mood and cognitive function. But if you think that is interesting, wait to hear how your gut microbiome plays into this. Point number 2. Feed your microbiome. Your gut is not just for digesting food. It is like a control center for your entire body. Want better energy for workouts? A more muscular immune system? Your gut's got your back. By adding fermented foods like kimchi or kefir and fiber-rich veggies, you are fueling trillions of little helpers. Here is a quick biohacking pro tip. Prebiotics and probiotics are not just buzzwords. They are gold. Think of your gut as a nightclub. Are you letting in VIPs or is it full of questionable characters? Speaking of energy, let's talk about cold showers. Yep, they are not just for overachievers and Navy SEALs. Point number 3. Embrace cold exposure. If you have ever screamed internally while stepping into a freezing shower, congrats! You have experienced the magic of cold exposure. It is not just about mental toughness. Cold exposure triggers a cascade of benefits. Improved circulation? Check. Increased metabolism? Double check. It is like giving your body an upgrade in under 2 minutes. And for those of you thinking, is freezing my face off really worth it? Science says yes. Cold exposure is not about avoiding discomfort. Quite the opposite. It's about welcoming it. Not as a setback, but as an opportunity for growth and resilience. You must challenge the stories your conscious mind weaves, those whispers of doubt and hesitation. Tune into your body to silence the conscious mind and move beyond the mental barriers that hinder your progress. Ensure a safe entry into cold waters by preparing both physically and mentally. Engage in a breathwork practice, such as our Awake 10 to 20 30 daily, coupled with a breath-connected warm-up, working on your heart-brain coherence as you prepare your body for the immersion. Seamlessly transition from preparation to immersion, maintaining a focused and connected state. Aim for a temperature that makes you think, this is really cold, and I want to get out, but I can safely stay in. For some, that might be 15 degrees, for others, 5 degrees. The colder you go, the shorter the exposure needed. Ice baths and cold water immersions yield the best results, though cold showers also work. Keep your exposure short and sweet to start and grow from there. Never going under 3 degrees to avoid frostbite or over 10 minutes unless under professional supervision. Safety first. But what if I told you there is an even warmer hack that is just as powerful? Point number 4. Infrared sauna magic. Enter the infrared sauna. Like a spa day for your mitochondria. Spending 15 to 20 minutes in these heat chambers can increase endurance, boost recovery, and elevate mood. Think of it as the Netflix and chill of biohacking. Except you are sweating out toxins while binge-watching your favorite show. Speaking of mitochondria, let's discuss the ultimate cellular power-up, red light therapy. Point number 5. Shine a light, literally, on recovery. Imagine standing before a panel of glowing red lights and feeling your muscles, skin, and cells thank you in unison. Red light therapy is not sci-fi, it is science-backed. This tech stimulates cellular repair, reduces inflammation, and boosts testosterone levels. Biohackers swear by it, and honestly, so should you. Plus, who does not want to feel like Iron Man charging up their arc reactor? But what if I told you how you breathe could be your biggest untapped fitness hack? Point number 6, optimize your breathing. Breathing. We all do it, but are we doing it right? Studies show that nasal breathing during workouts can improve endurance and oxygen efficiency. Mouth breathing? Not so much. Here is a simple hack. Tape your mouth shut at night. Yes, it sounds weird. No, it is not a prank. The result? Better sleep, reduced stress, and next-level workout recovery. Now let's talk about food timing, because when you eat might be just as important as what you eat. Point number 7, time-restricted eating. Intermittent fasting is not just for weight loss. It is a full-on metabolic reset. Eating in an 8-hour window can optimize fat burning, improve muscle recovery, and even boost your focus. Plus, who does not want to spend less time thinking about meals? But here is where it gets interesting. Breaking your fast with the proper nutrients can amplify these benefits. During fasting, your body switches from using glucose as its primary energy source to burning stored fats. It may initially sound daunting, but this natural metabolic shift can have numerous health benefits. Here is a snapshot. Improved metabolic health, weight loss, and fat reduction. Enhanced mental clarity. Reduced inflammation. There are several methods of intermittent fasting to choose from, each with unique advantages and challenges. Here are 3 common approaches. 8 Method. Fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day. 5-2 Diet. Eat normally 5 days a week and restrict calories, 500 to 600 calories, for the remaining 2 non-consecutive days. Eat, stop, eat. Fast for 24 hours once or twice a week, then resume standard eating patterns. Starting intermittent fasting can be as easy as extending your overnight fast. Here are some practical tips to ease into this new routine. Start slow. Gradually reduce your eating window to make the transition smoother. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, or black coffee to stay hydrated during fasting periods. Listen to your body. If you feel faint or unwell, it is okay to break your fast. Health is the priority. Remember, the body takes time to adjust to a new eating schedule. Patience is key. Ready for a hack that does not involve food? Let's talk about wearable tech. Point number 8. Leverage. Wearable tech. Fitness tracking has gone from counting steps to decoding your entire physiology. Wearables like Whoop or Oura Ring can measure sleep quality, recovery, and stress levels. Think of it as having a personal coach on your wrist. The key? Do not just collect the data, act on it. Selecting a suitable device is the first step in using wearable tech for improved health. Consider your health goals and the features you need. Fitness enthusiasts may opt for a dedicated fitness tracker, while those interested in comprehensive health monitoring prefer a smartwatch. Research different models and read reviews to make an informed decision. Define specific health and fitness goals you want to achieve with your wearable device. Whether losing weight, improving sleep quality, or tracking your daily steps, having clear objectives will help you use your device more effectively. These goals will serve as motivation and benchmarks for progress. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. For example, rather than setting a vague goal like get healthier, aim for walk 10,000 steps every day for the next 3 months. Because if your watch knows more about your health than you do, it is time to take action. What is better than tracking? Hacking your brain for focus and energy. Point number 9. Neurohacking for peak performance. Ever heard of binaural beats or nootropics? These are tools to hack your brain for peak mental clarity and focus. Whether it is an audio track that aligns brain waves or a supplement stack tailored to your needs, neurohacking can elevate your workouts and work life. Just remember, start simple and experiment. And finally, let's talk about the most important hack of them all. Point number 10. Mindset is everything. No amount of biohacking will work if your mindset is not aligned. Fitness is not just physical, it is deeply mental. Your mindset is the ultimate hack, whether through visualization, gratitude, or simply learning to embrace the process. Biohackers are not just chasing gains, they are creating lifestyles that thrive. So there, you have 10 biohacking strategies to take your fitness to the next level. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, And do not forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing content. Thank you.